Alright, once again, Modern came through for the win. There's 2 boxes that I received with some different stuff in. So I think this is what I want to show you. So let's see. Let's see if it's what we got. It seemed to make it here pretty decent. There was a little damage on the one end down here. So hopefully everything's decent. Nothing's damaged. And we got the right box. I think this is what we want. All right, here we go. Okay. So, starts out, I guess there's instructions in here and a whole lot of freaking stainless steel bolts. All right. All right. This is it. Little dent right there, nothing major. But what we are looking at here is a Modern Performance rear diffuser. Okay. There's the large parts. Let's open up the smaller package here. These are going to be the ones that run this way. Check these things out. Really should have put a new blade. Here we go. Your 2 outer sides are right here. There's 2 pieces there. Guess here's 2 more. There's a 3rd one. And then I guess this is the centerpiece that actually joins them together. Alright. I'm probably just going to let this tie together here, but these actually do look pretty good when they are installed. My problem right now is I'm not sure which car I want to put it on. I have a blue one that I have, and I'm building a Orange Blast 05 with a big turbo, new motor, and everything else for that. So, I mean, maybe you guys can let me know what you want me to put it on in the comments, which one you would think would be better. If you haven't seen any of these videos, you can always go back and check some of my other ones. You know, they're kind of in my builds. I did BC coilover install on both cars. But I'll grab you here, give you kind of like a close-up view. Check this stuff out. You can see this is what it looks like. This is what you actually receive down through here. What this stuff looks like when it's brand new. I couldn't really see it in the camera. Right there, you could tell it actually hit something that was done in shipping. You can see right here, went through the box. Must have been a zip tie on the end. It actually broke through it. Here are the pieces that hang down. This is a seam piece that actually goes in between. Woo. Now let me explain this. This stuff is covered with oil, so it's kind of slippery. So this actually goes like this, I think, on the inside, and then bolts up. All right. At least you can see where that goes. Let's see what they actually give us here in the bag for instructions, because I've seen these things on cars. I did remove one and then got to put it on another car. We did on Blue Nightmare, so it was just kind of turned into, you know, what the heck, I might as well order one of these while you can still get them, and hey, make a video, that way you guys can see. Alright, so they give you a really nice instructions here. It tells you what's included: 5 fins, 1 center backing plate. If you are running side exit exhaust, they do sell filler pieces for these separately. Basically, they show you installing it onto the bumper before, I guess, it gets installed onto the car. But all I can tell you is there's lots of holes and different things that okay, yeah, you can tighten up your hanger, lift it up a little bit if it's touching it. But I mean, this is probably a bad picture, but that's the look it kind of gives you from the side and in the rear, and that's kind of what it looks like on. They do have some they do have some photos on their site. I'm sure there's probably plenty of them if you just Google this thing. There's probably plenty of people on the Facebook pages that have them on cars that you could actually get a decent view of. But you know, we were kind of going all out on the orange car, so that's what I was thinking on actually putting this. I mean, I was debating on getting it coated black if I could find someone to do that, or like I said, the raw aluminum's nice, but the fact that it's brand new and it goes somewhere, it could get powder coated black and you know, not have problems having to clean it down again. Like, this would pretty much be a chemical dip, I guess, and then powder coated. I don't know, I'm not a powder coater, but that's what you get when you order the rear diffuser for the NSRT4 Dodge Neon right there. And you know, soon we're gonna have an install video, but there it is. That's what we got. That's what it is. Until the next one.